If you constantly have a stuffy nose or it happens very often, there's a simple home remedy that can really help. But first, let's understand the causes. Why does nasal congestion happen? The first reason is allergies, and it's not just a springtime issue. You can be allergic to anything: dust, dust mites, or other things in your home. Often, people don't even know what exactly they're reacting to. The second reason is frequent colds. Your nasal lining doesn't have time to recover, you keep catching new viruses, and as a result, it stays swollen all the time, making it hard to breathe. The third reason is hyperplasia, a thickening of the nasal lining. This also interferes with normal breathing. Many people use decongestant nasal drops, but these should only be used for 5 to 7 days. After that, your body develops a dependency, and your nose becomes congested because of the drops themselves. Another option is steroid nasal sprays. They can be used longer, but they also have downsides. They thin the nasal lining, weaken local immunity, and can cause nosebleeds. So they're not ideal for long-term use. What's a better alternative? In many European countries, saline nasal rinsing is widely used. It's a safe and effective method. You can do it daily, once or twice a day for prevention, or when you're already sick. How to prepare the solution you'll need: 300 ml of warm water, about 37 degrees on 98.6 degrees, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, non-iodized. Important: the salt must be non-iodized, otherwise it may cause a burning sensation. If you're just starting, try half a teaspoon first and see how it feels. If it stings, add more water until you find a comfortable balance. What to use? You can use a 50 milliliter syringe without a needle or a special nasal rinse bottle. Important: each person should have their own syringe or device. Replace it about once a month and rinse it thoroughly after each use. For one nostril, you'll need about 50 to 60 milliliters of solution. Proper technique. This part is very important. Lean your head forward and slightly to the side. Gently introduce the solution into one nostril. Let the liquid flow out naturally. Afterward, don't blow your nose forcefully. Just gently clear it. Blowing too hard or using too much pressure can push fluid into your sinuses or ears, causing discomfort. Who is this for? This method is suitable for almost everyone: adults, children, usually 7+ years old, older adults. It's especially helpful for people with allergies or chronic nasal congestion. Important tips: if you feel discomfort during the procedure, stop and adjust either the solution concentration or your technique. If it doesn't help, you may simply be doing something incorrectly. Final thoughts. Saline nasal rinsing is a simple, safe, and effective way to reduce the frequency of colds and avoid overusing medicated nasal sprays. Nasal hygiene is one of the most important factors in preventing respiratory issues. Stay healthy.